हेलो गाइस, दिस इज आशुतोष योर होस्ट। और आज हम देखेंगे SCR का VI कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पी स्पाइस सॉफ्टवेयर में। ओके, टुडे विल सी VI कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ SCR इन पी स्पाइस 9.1 वर्जन, स्टूडेंट वर्जन। सो गाइस, पहले आप इसको डाउनलोड कर लीजिए। यू कैन इजीली डाउनलोड दिस सॉफ्टवेयर फ्रॉम इंटरनेट. It is easily available to you. So guys, let's start how we can draw the circuit diagram. Okay, so first choose resistance. Okay, this is resistance, two resistance. We have chosen two resistances. Then right click, you can drag this resistance anywhere, and anywhere you can put this resistance anywhere. Okay, we have selected two resistances. Okay, now type VDC. So typing here, you get DC supply voltage. Okay, then right click, it will get escaped. Okay, now we have DC supply source. Then we need AC supply source, V sign. So just type V sign, you will get AC supply voltage source. Then click on it and right click, then it will get disappeared. Okay guys, so and then you will need ground earth. So select ground earth from here and put it here, over here. Then right click. So this is our ground earth. You can also zoom in. Okay, just click on in zoom in, so it will be zoomed in like this. Okay, so you will see it clearer. Then guys, now you have to select SCR. So our SCR is numbered 2N1595. Okay, whenever you type this number 2N1595, then you will get the SCR. Okay, then click on it and right click, then this is the SCR, and then you can rotate this SCR wherever you want. Okay, so we can go to edit and flip, so it will get flipped. Okay, by flipping it, the direction is changed. Okay, you can undo this, and we can edit, select this SCR, and we can go to, select this, so it will be in red color, it will get red, and then rotate, it will rotate, then again rotate. Okay, now this kind of figure we want, okay, of SCR. So select this and drag this, okay, like this. Okay, like this, put it here and then connect. Okay, then go to draw and select wire. So guys, now join this supply source to this resistance like this. Okay, and then connect this line from here to this like this. Okay, then join, we have connected the anode part from this resistance. Okay, now connect From this wire it will get connected, then connect this wire like this. Okay, and then connect this earth like this. Okay, it is connected now. Then guys, select this resistance, drag this resistance here, select this supply voltage source, drag this here, so that you can join this resistance and this voltage source, DC voltage source, from this gate terminal. Okay, now again select wire, and from this voltage source you can connect to, it is now connected to gate terminal, and then supply voltage source to this terminal. Okay, now guys, just this is our resistance R1 and this is our resistance 2. You can change the name. Here it is written over here R1, package reference designator. You can change the name. This is our R1 resistance. Okay, this is R1. Click OK. Okay, then the value, you can change the value of this resistance. So we can select 500 ohm. 500. Okay, so it is changed here. Then you can select the voltage, DC voltage. Here are various parameters, but you have to select, you have to click this DC voltage, then 0 volt will appear, so you can choose your value 5 volt. Okay, we have kept this value 5 volt, and then after writing save attribute, okay, here save attribute, so it will be displayed, the value of voltage is displayed here 5 volt. Okay guys, then click on it, R2, this is the R2 resistance which is connected through gate. Click OK if you want to change the value. Okay, if you want to change the value, you can change the value. Okay, now click on this voltage source, click DC 0 volt, this is 0, save attribute, then AC 0, save attribute, V off, put 0 value, V amplify 12, save attribute, frequency 50, frequency 5050, save attribute, and then click OK. Okay guys, so this is our circuit, and then you can, this is our setup analysis. Go to setup analysis by clicking over here, by clicking on it. This is setup analysis. Okay, this part is setup analysis and this part is simulate. Okay, first we will set up, go to the setup analysis and set the transient. From here final time, we are setting final time 100 millisecond. We have set the final time 100 millisecond in this transient section. Okay, then click OK, then close, and now you can directly go to simulate. Okay, it will be saved first now. Then we are saving this SCRVI. You have to save it first. Okay, then you just click on this simulate, then it will be appeared. This is appeared like this. Okay, now you have to change the value of, guys, we have changed the value of resistance 2 kilo ohm. We have changed the value of resistance 2 kilo ohm from 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so now you have to set up the transient analysis time. Okay, so select from here, then transient, you have to set it 100 millisecond. The final time is set up for 100 millisecond. Then click OK, close this, and then you will see after clicking on simulation this will appear. Then go to trace, add a trace, IR2, we need IR2, anode current, okay. Then half wave rectified wave we got. Then go to setting, x-axis you can set the parameters of axis, okay. Then OK, from here trace, axis variable, and you have to choose VX1A, then click OK, and then it will be appeared. Okay guys, so here is our VI characteristic. You can also change from here axis setting, user defined. You can set -2 volt. You can choose -2 volt to up to 2 volt. So it will be like this. Okay guys, so this is our VI characteristics of SCR, and you can take the readings from here. So that's it for today guys. Till then, goodbye.